Here now is the Gemini 12, the culmination of nearly 40 years of intensive research and the most sophisticated piece of hardware yet devised by the mind of man. Bold in concept, brilliant in execution, this most delicate yet most colossal of instruments makes possible man's thrust into deep space.
Countdown minus 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
Members of the Robinson family are safe and well, still in their total blackout of suspended animation during this fantastic acceleration whose pressures would be unbearable otherwise. Here at Alpha Control show an outbreak of fire back of all magna panels in the spaceship. Unless fire extinguishing apparatus functions properly and control regeneration occurs immediately, all hope is now gone.